ExtenZe is a popular supplement that can help to make your erections larger, make them happen more often, and make them harder. It can also help to increase the intensity of your orgasms and improve your endurance so you can last for longer. You might be wondering how one little pill can have all of those powerful effects, and it is all down to the special mix of ExtenZe ingredients contained in every pill. Each of the ingredients can help to improve your sex life, but it is the unique combination of them developed by ExtenZe that can really take your sex life to the next level. ExtenZe ingredients. 1. Zinc. Zinc is a trace element that is known to have an effect on testosterone levels. Men on a low zinc diet have lower testosterone levels, and men who take zinc supplements can almost double their levels of testosterone. 2. Folate. Low levels of folate, or folic acid, have been linked to erectile dysfunction. This is due to low folate leading to high homocysteine levels as well as lower levels of nitric oxide. The latter is important for relaxing the muscles of the penis to allow blood to flow in and an erection to happen. 3. Pregnenolone. Pregnenolone is needed to make the hormones responsible for libido. Low libido can happen because of stress, but pregnenolone supplements can help boost your sex drive back up. 4. Astragalus. This is a herb used in traditional Chinese medicine, and it can help to stimulate energy levels, which can help you with your endurance. It can also increase your sperm count, and it helps maintain your urinary tract and kidneys. 5. Pumpkin. Pumpkin contains zinc, which we know can boost your testosterone levels, but it also contains omega-3 fatty acids. These are a precursor of prostaglandins. These are hormone-like substances that are important for maintaining a healthy sex life, and which can help to reduce erectile dysfunction. 6. Deer antler velvet. This is made from male deer antlers when they are in their fuzz-covered period and is essentially a male growth hormone. It can help your body heal itself, improve your strength and endurance, and raise your testosterone levels. 7. Piper longum. Piper longum, also known as long pepper, can help to relax the arteries and reduce inflammation. It can also help to lower anxiety and depression, both of which can have an impact on sexual performance. 8. Gamma-aminobutyric acid. Gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, is an amino acid that works as a neurotransmitter in your brain. It is important for a wide variety of functions in the body and, for sexual function, it is particularly important for the regulation of orgasms. 9. Hop, strobile extract. Hops are well known for their ability to improve sleep health, but they can also help to increase sex drive through their role in regulating sex hormones. 10. Ginger. Ginger has been long used in traditional herbal medicine. It can help to aid digestion, and it is also a powerful aphrodisiac. It does this by improving blood flow and circulation, which can help with sexual performance and the ability to reach orgasm. 11. L-arginine hydrochloride. L-arginine hydrochloride is a naturally occurring amino acid that can increase your levels of nitric oxide, NO. Nitric oxide is vital for obtaining and maintaining an erection through improving blood flow in the penis. 12. Yohimbe extract. Yohimbe extract comes from a tree native to Western Africa. It can help improve your sex life in two main ways. First, it helps to promote nitric oxide production, which improves blood flow to the penis, improving your chances of getting an erection. Second, it can block the receptors that are responsible for preventing erections. 13. Horny goatweed. Horny goatweed is an extract from the epimedium plant. It helps to give you an erection because it blocks the enzymes that are responsible for blocking them. It can also improve the dilation of the arteries, increasing blood flow. 14. Boron. Boron is a trace mineral that is one of the few involved in testosterone production. Taking boron supplements can help to increase the amount of testosterone that your body produces. 15. Damiana. This extract comes from a shrub native to Mexico. It has been taken for hundreds of years as an aphrodisiac, and it can help increase your levels of sexual arousal as well as your endurance. 16. Licorice extract. Licorice extract can help to give your performance a boost by increasing your endurance. It also anti-inflammatory effects, which can help to maintain proper circulation and blood flow. 17. Tribulus terrestris. This extract is an herb that is often used to improve male sexual performance. It can increase the levels of androgen receptors in the brain, and can increase sexual well-being and erectile function. 18. He Shou Wu extract. This is an extract commonly used in Chinese herbal medicine, and is often known as the elixir of life. It is used to help with many age-related conditions, but can also help with sexual performance. It does this by stimulating the adrenal gland to produce sex hormones, which increases sexual desire and restores vitality. 19. Korean ginseng extract. This extract, found in traditional Chinese herbal medicine, has a large amount of scientific evidence backing it up as a supplement that can improve sexual function. It can improve erectile performance, increase sexual satisfaction, increase sex drive, and increase sperm production. 20. Muria puama extract. This comes from a bush found in the Amazon and can help treat sexual disorders and improve sexual performance in healthy people. 21. Xanthropammelia scabrosa. This comes from lichen and is an extract used to treat erectile dysfunction. It inhibits the enzymes that can prevent erections, which can help improve problems such as impotence. Final thoughts. Any one of the ExtenZe ingredients on their own have the potential to help you obtain and maintain an erection, improve your sexual performance and endurance, and increase your libido. Taken together in one go, with the specially formulated mix that ExtenZe has developed, the impact on your sex life can be nothing but huge. For more information, visit our site, The Male Libido, link in the description.